Hey, I'm Joe,
And I'm Karen,
and we're with M&M Income Tax Service, and we're back with another tax topic,
or tax tip.
and hopefully it's going to answer one of your questions today. Well, Karen, what are we going to talk about today?
Is free really free when you file online, Joe?
Well, Karen, I really don't think so because oftentimes you hear free, there's also always a catch to it.
Yes, there
and
is.
I don't think a lot of our people out there understand the true cost of actually filing their own tax return online. That's what we're trying. You're trying to save money, go file your tax return online, but you could really be costing yourself a lot more. So, Karen, to truly answer this question first, I would say it depends, but the answer is generally no, it's
True.
not free. So what are some of the costs they might actually be missing?
Well, there's an emotional cost.
Absolutely. In other words, does it put you in a bad mood or create anxiety? I can tell you, if you come to M&M Tax and get your tax return done, you're gonna leave happy, and it's gonna be a fun experience for you, and it's really gonna be easy.
Yes, it is.
What's the other costs they're missing?
Well, there's a time cost.
Okay, that's right. In other words, does it cost you your whole weekend? I've heard numerous people say, "Yeah, I did my own." How long did it take you to do it? All weekend or 2 weeks. I mean, it takes forever.
Yeah.
You come to M&M Income Tax Service, make an appointment. You're going to be basically done, hopefully, within an hour.
Yes.
Absolutely. So, Karen, what other cost?
Well, there's a hard cost.
Absolutely. There's a hard cost. In other words, is your tax return complicated? All those online companies ask that. Do you have a state tax return you're going to have to file? Do you want to print a copy of your tax return? Do you need assistance? Every time you say yes to one of those questions, Karen, there's more cost.
Yes.
Okay. The average cost to actually file online is $150. Those tax companies, online tax companies, wouldn't have big, huge buildings in California if they weren't making money.
That's right.
Okay. So if you come to M&M Income Tax, our services start at $69 and go up based on how complicated your tax return is. It's really that easy.
Yes, it is.
Karen, what else are they missing out on? Or
Well, there's money left on the table cost.
absolutely. In other words, is their tax return right? Did they get the biggest refund? There's so many online filers. 40% of them, in fact, feel that they've left money on the table. And we estimate this to be actually $375 on average. But that could be as little as zero to as much as several $1,000s.
Yes, it can.
That's why we say the average is $375. But when you come to M&M Income Tax Service, we guarantee that you're going to get the biggest refund allowed by the IRS.
That's right. And then there's the cost of sleep.
Sleep. That's the most valuable thing
It
in my
is.
mind, Karen. If you can't sleep at night because you're not sure when the IRS audit letter is coming in your mailbox, it's simply not worth it.
That's
you
right.
come to M&M Income Tax Service, you're going to sleep good at night.
Yep, that peace of mind.
Absolutely. So, Karen, what I often like to say is the most expensive tax return you can have is the one that you actually file yourself.
That's true. Well, Joe, that's our tax tip, our topic for the day.
Absolutely. And if you're in South Carolina, be sure to make an appointment or simply walk into one of our 36 locations.
And if that's not convenient for you, we can still help.
Simply visit our website and click on the Taxes Done for Anyone, Anywhere link. That's a link with our remote technology. It's as easy as taking a picture on your phone.
So add your questions and comments to our post and be sure to hit the like and share button.
Look for our answers to your questions in our upcoming segments.